We often throw things away without a second thought. Every day, countless items end up in landfills, contributing to the growing waste problem. But what if we could change that? Many common household items can have a second life. From glass jars to old t-shirts, the possibilities are endless. Instead of discarding them, we can transform them into something useful and beautiful. Repurposing is a simple yet powerful act. It encourages creativity and resourcefulness, allowing us to see potential in what we might otherwise consider trash. It helps save money and also reduces waste. By repurposing, we can cut down on the need to buy new items, which in turn reduces our environmental footprint. By giving new purpose to old things, we can make a difference. Imagine turning an old ladder into a bookshelf or using wine corks to create a bulletin board. These small changes can have a big impact. So let's explore some ingenious ways to repurpose everyday items. Together we can contribute to a more sustainable and creative world. Join us on this journey of transformation and see how you can make a difference. An old toothbrush can be a powerful cleaning tool. Simply soften the head with heat from a lighter. Be careful, bend the softened head to a 90-degree angle. Now you have a tool for cleaning grout and other tight spaces. Don't throw away citrus peels. They are more useful than you might think. They can create a fantastic all-purpose cleaner that is both natural and effective. This cleaner is perfect for those who want to avoid harsh chemicals in their homes. Start by chopping the peels of oranges, lemons, or any citrus fruit you have on hand. The more variety, the better the fragrance and cleaning power. Place the chopped peels in a jar and cover them completely with vinegar. The vinegar acts as a natural disinfectant and helps to extract the essential oils from the peels. Let this mixture sit in a cool, dark place for a few weeks. This allows the vinegar to fully absorb the citrus oils. Afterward, strain the liquid to remove the peels. Mix the strained liquid with water to create your cleaner. Use it to wipe down surfaces, clean glass, and even freshen up your home. Enjoy your eco-friendly homemade cleaner. Dryer lint is often seen as waste. Most people simply throw it away without a second thought. But did you know that this fluffy byproduct of doing laundry can actually be quite useful? However, it makes an excellent fire starter. The fibers in dryer lint are highly flammable, making it perfect for getting a fire going quickly and easily. Whether you're camping or just lighting a fire in your backyard, dryer lint can be a lifesaver. Simply save your dryer lint and use it to help start fires in fireplaces or wood stoves. Collect it in a container and keep it handy for when you need it. It's a simple way to recycle something that would otherwise end up in the trash. Cardboard rolls from toilet paper or paper towels also have hidden potential. Instead of tossing them out, you can repurpose them into something useful and fun. Spread peanut butter on the outside of a roll. This sticky layer will act as an adhesive for the next step. Then roll it in birdseed. The seeds will stick to the peanut butter, creating a tasty treat for birds. Hang it outside to create a delightful bird feeder. Not only will you be recycling, but you'll also be providing a food source for local wildlife. It's a win-win situation.